asked former teachers one question: what do you wish you'd done sooner? Here's what they said. One former middle school teacher said they wish they had downloaded a resource like the free one that I'm offering to you. They spent 2 years agonizing over a decision that they could have made in 6 months with the right information. A former elementary school teacher said she wished she had talked to someone who'd actually done it, not a career counselor who'd never been in a classroom. A former high school English teacher said stopped waiting until they had the perfect plan. They needed direction, not a perfect map. And another elementary school teacher said they wished they had given themselves permission to be sad about leaving and excited about what was next in their life. So the common thread, they really all wish they had started sooner. You don't have to wait until you're at the breaking point. Get the free guide. It's linked in the bio. Start now.